You might have been hearing the word support and resistance. It's a widely used concept in the financial markets. And in this video, we will be teaching you how to use support and resistance like a pro. Do you want to know how to use support and resistance like a pro? Alright, then follow me to the end of this video. Let's go. So as said previously, support and resistance is the most widely used concept in trading. And understanding that is the most widely used concept in trading, basically every single trader who trades price action, because that's what we all trade, we basically depend on it. And I per se myself, I believe that when the market makes support and resistance basically vanish, that's the day I'll stop trading. Alright, so let's get down to what support and resistance is. Before we head on, let me tell you something. Every single trader have different ideas and different perspective towards how they use support and resistance. So basically everything we'll be sharing in this video is our perspective at Satoshi on how to use support and resistance. Let's look at what the basics is. Alright, what is support and resistance? You might be asking yourself. Look at what is on my chart. What can you notice? You can notice that at one point price was going up and at one point price was going down, and price was giving off certain reaction at this point. Now think of support and resistance as two kids who are playing football. Alright, kid A passes the football to kid B. Kid B would surely pass it back to kid A, and so on and so forth. So basically, support and resistance in the financial markets are basically areas whereby the market gives us reaction by turning towards the direction it is moving at. Alright? And we can basically term support and resistance to be peaks and troughs in price. So resistance is a point whereby price hits and we start seeing bearish thesis to the downside. Alright, price start moving bearish, while support is a point whereby price hits and price start moving bearish. Now what we basically do is we look for selling opportunities, reasons to sell the market at resistance, and we look for buying opportunities at support. Support and resistance is further complex than this, but we're trying to keep it as simple as it can be, because the financial market is all about keeping things simple and understanding it. We hope you learned a thing or two from this video on support and resistance. In our next video, we'll be talking about other ways you can use support and resistance in engaging the market. Alright, bye for now.